Why do birds make noises? That's how they talk. A male robin sings to a female robin. He tells her they must build a nest. Let's gather materials. The male oriole sings too. He tells other orioles to stay away. He protects his nest. His babies are there. The male woodpecker doesn't sing, but he does make noise. He taps on trees. The sound tells others to stay away. This hole might be his home. Some birds sing to say a place is not safe. They warn each other of danger. How do baby birds learn to talk? They learn in their nests. Older birds teach them. Then they can ask for lunch. They chirp to say, I'm hungry.